India's northeast, the land of exquisite natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, diverse flora, fauna, and human wealth. It is also the land from where India's oil journey began. In the 1860s, oil exploration activities started in the dense jungles near Jaipur, Assam, in northeast India. However, the first commercial discovery of crude oil in the country was made in 1889 at Digboi. This was the beginning of the oil saga in Assam and India. ONGC commenced the search for oil in Assam in 1957. On 7th December 1960, at Rudrasagar 1, ONGC made its first commercial discovery, which was put on production in 1966. Since then, Assam, Tripura, and the vast basin of Assam, Arakan have been contributing towards the energy security of the nation by way of rich oil and gas finds, with the help of production installations using state-of-the-art technology. The central workshop at Sibsagar, Assam, is the largest workshop in eastern India. Our endeavors in the northeast have been demonstrative of our commitment to the prosperity of Assam and the northeast and the energy security of India. While ONGC is charting the course of energy security for the nation through its operational endeavors, it is also taking along with it local communities. This forms the core of its CSR philosophy. Among ONGC's many initiatives is Amulya Dharohar, a CSR enterprise aimed at the conservation of culture and heritage. Amulya Dharohar has been supporting the Ahom literature and monuments and is bringing prosperity to the original people of the land. In the areas of health, education, and women empowerment, ONGC has taken various initiatives to support the marginalized sections of the society. ONGC, in partnership with our people of the Northeast, is striving to bring lasting prosperity and is playing an important role in strengthening the fabric of the society.
मैं सैफ्रॉन रिवॉल्यूशन की बात करना चाहता हूं। ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन चाहिए, व्हाइट रिवॉल्यूशन चाहिए, सैफ्रॉन रिवॉल्यूशन भी चाहिए। ऊर्जा का रंग है सैफ्रॉन, और इसलिए मैं जब सैफ्रॉन रिवॉल्यूशन की बात करता हूं, मैं ऊर्जा क्रांति की बात करता हूं। अगर 21वीं सदी एशिया की सदी है, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट एशिया का प्रवेश द्वार है, और एक प्रकार से समृद्धि का प्रवेश द्वार भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट बनने की पूरी संभावनाएं मैं देख रहा हूं।
Today, as we celebrate Bihu, the Assamese New Year that symbolizes energy and verve, we strive with zeal to match the Honorable Prime Minister's call of bringing about Saffron Revolution, the Energy Revolution, and partner in the progress of the northeastern states that are the pride of the nation.